This man is about to get the biggest surprise of his life, seeing his younger brother for the first time in a year, since he joined the army to become one of the king's guard. But when the moment finally came, the strict rules of his job meant his brother wasn't even allowed to speak to him.
That is your brother.
Hey.
So like I say, you won't be able to talk. If you want to go stand for a photo, go up there.
Yeah,
Stand up,
yeah,
take your
David.
And when they told him that his brother wasn't allowed to talk during his shift, all he could do was take a quick picture with him, while his brother had to stand completely still right next to him.
It's only your brother, though. It's only your brother. He's just doing his job.
But after his brother's long shift finally ended, something truly heartwarming happened.
There's your brother down there. Jack!